Welcome to the Wolfish 90s channel. Today we are going to see how to make the Steam to detect the installed games in a different drivers. So usually Steam is configured to detect the games that is installed in the C driver when you freshly install the Steam application. Since I reinstall the Steam, restart my Windows, it is not able to detect the games that is installed in the different storage drivers. So for the Steam to detect those games, we need to manually add those drivers into the Steam application. So we will see how to do that. Let's open the Steam application, go to click on the Steam and go to the settings. Now you can see a storage option. So here you can go and add whatever drivers you want where the games are installed. So before that, you can see in my library I have a GTA 5. It is asking me to install again, but I do have this game in a different driver, but since I reinstall the Steam, it is not able to detect those games. So let's add the driver manually. Click on the storage and then here we have a drop down. Here you can see currently there are two drivers added to this storage. So I'm adding one more drive that has GTA 5. So I have a GTA 5 in drive D. So here I'm adding that drive. Now you can see this driver is added. Now if you see, like, it is reflecting as a play. So previously it was showing as install. Now it is showing as a play. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more solution like this in the future. See you in the next video.